best friend in the whole world at her place up Ogden Canyon today. She lives in a little cabin on a river, and it's just a really beautiful, scenic, zen, peaceful, quiet setting. We're going to cook a meal together. We're going to talk. We're going to paint. And I'm just so looking forward to seeing her today. If we can just get back to the simple things, a best friend, a good conversation, a beautiful setting, sometimes that's all that we really need. I am really looking forward to this. I have an hour drive ahead of me, and I'll be seeing her soon.
What do we got? 1 dozen is all we got?
So take some home.
They ain't better than a fresh pooped egg.
You're absolutely right. That's what I'm saying. Take some home.
Hey, lift some weights. How heavy is that?
Pretty heavy. That's our mountain man weight set.
The bar's 20 pounds, 25
Your hands up in front and over. You got it?
The weights are falling apart.
You're doing good.
I know, the sun's in your eyes. You got your hands too far apart.
No, you don't. Good.
Well, you know, if you do that,
What are you doing?
get it up, True. You got it. I know. Get it up.
There he is.
Because Dad always has his stuff on.
I got a watermelon yesterday.
Chickens.
Uh-huh.
They're so beautiful. They're so big.
How many do you have now? 4. Oh, right here. Okay. Are they laying pretty good?
Okay. I get more eggs a day
Wow.
for the most part. Even during the winter, Shane put a red light in there. And pretty much all through the winter, we got 3 to 4 eggs a day, which apparently they
From all of them?
Yeah,
Or not each?
total. So, yeah.
Horse didn't hit the road?
Look like a horse turd hit the trail.
Yeah, they're getting a horse turn and hit the trail.
Yeah.
There's your baba.
Yeah, that's one of the good ones.
Chloe, what did you have in your hand? You are so funny.
Yeah.
Show it to Valerie.
Good job, Chloe.
Good girl. Yeah.
It's either in the drawer with all the.
Already looked there.
We're just gonna walk.
Yes.
Hey, Phil! 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 Hey, Phil! Hello? Hello? I've realized in life that the one thing that makes it all worth it, after all the tough things we have to deal with and the challenges we face day to day, are our friends. Someone to laugh with, cry with, to share a conversation, a hug, and a good meal. I had a conversation with my aunt the other day. We talked about how we chose our trials in life in the pre-existence, or whatever it was that existed before we were born. Or maybe we just accepted them in knowing we could handle them in this thing that we call life. Sometimes it seems like we're barely surviving. Life can be so challenging, confusing, frustrating, scary, and impossible at times. But I think that the thing that makes it worth it are our friends. The relationships we build are what should be the most important. We get caught up in our financial problems, stress at work, getting older, and trying to make sense of everything. I've been so lucky to always have the best friends a person could possibly have, and I hope my friends feel the same about me.